Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So one of my favorite box stores to go to is Sam's Club, and they are offering this amazing membership deal for only $14, normally $50. So stay with me, let me show you how to do this. Hey everybody, and welcome to Shopping with Shana. So guys, I usually am bringing you some amazing deal at Kroger, but today I'm going to bring you an amazing membership price at Sam's Club. I don't know if you've heard about this. If you're in the couponing world and you're paying attention to other couponers, you may have already heard about this, but if you are just kind of strict to my channel, you may want to pay close attention to this video. So now through April 30th, like I said, of 2024, you can grab your membership for a super cheap price of only $14. Let me show you how we do that. What you want to do is go to samsclub.com. Now you can obviously click the link that I have in the description box below to go there, but that will take you off this video. So if you want to create another tab and just type in samsclub.com, you can follow along with me to earn that great membership price. So once you get to samsclub.com, you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. And I'm going to go slow so I don't make you sick. But you can definitely come back to the front page and check out all the amazing deals that are going on. I absolutely love Sam's Club. It's one of my favorite places to go to. And we haven't had a membership there in a very long time because I didn't want to pay for it. So once you get to the bottom of the page, you're going to see membership on the far left-hand side. We're just going to go straight over to join Sam's Club. All right, so it's going to take you to this next page here. And basically what this is it's giving you, I think would it be normally a $50 membership for $14. And if you choose to do the plus membership, it's normally $110 for only $50. So obviously you can join either one. I'm going to only get the $14 one today. I don't really need the $50 one, but let's check out and see what the differences between the two are. When you click on join now, remember this ends April 30th. So if you're watching this after April 30th, you're out of luck basically. So we're going to click on this. You can kind of see the difference between the two cards. Obviously, you're instead of spending $50, you're spending $14 on the cheaper one. So that's obviously a bonus. With the plus membership, you have things like Sam's Cash for Plus, you have free shipping, you have curbside pickup that's free, you have early shopping, you have pharmacy savings, and you also have optical savings as well. But some of the things that you get regardless on your memberships is you get some instant savings. If you don't know what that is, in the store, there's like basically items that are going to have extra savings on them. You usually have a limit of how many you can get, but it's instant savings and it's great. Then we also have member only fuel savings. This is one of my favorite things is if you are not, completely packed with your 4 times of fuel points at Kroger and you need to save some money at the pump, you can go over to Sam's Club and fill up there. You just have to use your card and swipe your membership, and then you can fill up for cheaper than pretty much anywhere else around. And I think you could do this wherever you're at. So if you're like driving around the country, like we're going to go to Gatlinburg in a couple weeks, if we find a Sam's Club on our way, we can fill up there. Especially if there's not a Kroger around to use the 4 times of fuel points. So the other thing is a complimentary membership, obviously. Then we have bonus offers, which I'm not real sure what that is, but it sounds great. Anything bonus. Same day delivery is included. Tire and battery center, and then add-on memberships are also included. And then something else that's not listed here, and I'm sure if I click it, there'll be more. But one of the things that I absolutely love about Sam's Club is when you go into the store and you're shopping and you've got to make your stop at the food court or the food area, and you get your big hot dog or your giant piece of pizza and a nice soda or Frosty or even the soft serve ice cream. There's so many great things to do. Sometimes, or the big soft pretzels, guys, what's your favorite? Let me know in the comments. What is your favorite snack at Sam's Club? Sometimes what I would do when I had a membership is the kids and I would just go up there, walk around for a little bit and get lunch for super cheap. So that's an option for you and you don't have to spend any money on that. Anyway, you want to pick which one you want. Obviously, if you feel like you're going to use more of the items for the plus, you want to join the plus and save $60. But if you're like me and you think you can get by with just the $14 one, that's the way to go. So you'll click on Join Club. And then it just really takes you to the page that you need to fill out. $14 is all it's going to cost you today, because the coupon code is applied. So basically, what you'll do is you'll just fill out all of your information, which I'm going to do that in just a second for myself. And then I'm going to purchase the promotion here. Very, very, very simple to do that. And you can also put one complimentary card holder, so usually your spouse, but it could be a kid or something like that, that's usually in your household. That's kind of the idea. But yeah, you can just add one complimentary person on there and then continue from there. So I'm not necessarily going to fill this all out with you all here because you kind of get the idea. You can do this on your own. But I just wanted to share this with you because I think it's an amazing deal. So let me know in the comments if you're going to do this deal. And then also let me know in the comments when you go to a Costco or you go to a Sam's Club, what snacks do you like to get at the concession area? I will tell you one of my favorites is the hot dog, the soft pretzel, and of course the big giant soda, which I know none of that is super healthy for you, but that's okay. It's just a treat. It's not an everyday thing. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching and making it to the end of the video. Hopefully we've picked up some new people. You want to subscribe today if you're not subscribed to my channel. Make sure you're subscribed, especially if you have a Kroger anywhere near you and you want to save a ton of money. You want to come to my channel and watch all my Kroger videos. If you have a Meijer, you want to be subscribed for my Meijer videos. And then sometimes I do other videos like sometimes Sam's Club, sometimes Walgreens, sometimes CVS, sometimes Walmart. So hopefully I'll hit something. Subscribe today. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll be back with you later. Bye, guys.